In this video, you'll learn how to resolve the connection refused error that can occur when using Claude Code. This issue often arises due to network settings or server configurations, and understanding how to troubleshoot it will help you regain access smoothly. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet, as a lack of connectivity can lead to a connection refused message. You can do this by opening a web browser and attempting to load a website. If the website does not load, you need to address your internet connection first. Next, confirm that the Claude Code server is operational. Sometimes the server may be down for maintenance, or you can check the service status on the official website or any relevant status page provided by the service. If the server is down, you may need to wait until it is back online. After verifying that your internet connection is stable and the server is operational, check your firewall settings, access your firewall configuration, and ensure that it is not blocking the connection to Claude Code. Look for any rules or settings that might prevent access and adjust them accordingly. Save any changes and attempt to reconnect. If you are still encountering the error, consider restarting your router. Unplug the router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This action can reset your network settings and potentially resolve any temporary connectivity issues. Once the router has rebooted, try connecting to Claude Code again. In some cases, the issue may be related to outdated software or compatibility problems. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Claude Code by checking for updates within the application or on the official website. Updating the software can resolve bugs that may contribute to connection problems. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.